Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, the shortcut turned blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same one again. If you want to, you can also access settings. Scroll down and tap on location section. Then manage location thanks to this switcher and turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!